Hope you are doing well and welcome back. Today I am going to tell you how to use this habit tracker in a simple way. First of all, we protect most of the cells that contain formulas to make sure that you don't delete any important formulas that could affect the spreadsheet. So, if you see this message, it means that you don't want to touch it. But don't worry, I will show you step by step how to create your spreadsheet in such a situation. Just click on the X and you are done. You don't need to change much because most of this is automated. All you have to do is fill in the calendar section, daily habits section, goals section, and all the checkboxes and everything else will be filled in automatically. So, first of all, you need to fill in the year and month in the calendar section. You can fill in the year by double-clicking on the year box, and you can click on this little triangle icon to open the drop-down menu in the month box. It will open, and you can select your month from it. Under that, in the Daily Habits section, you can record your 25 daily habits. For example, I am recording some habits. Next, in the Goals section, you want to record your goals, such as, I want to run 20 days this month and meditate 25 days. You want to record your goals in the Goals section and now in the checkbox. As soon as your goal is completed, you want to tick the checkbox. In this Completed section, it shows how many goals you have set. In the next cell, it shows how many goals are left to complete. Next, a visualization graph is also shown in the chart. This all happens automatically, so you don't have to do anything with it. In the overview chart above, you will see the Goals section. In this, as many daily habits as you have will be shown here. For example, I have 10 habits here, so 10 will also be shown here. If I add one habit here, it will be 11 out of 10 here, as you can see. Now I'm actually telling you that as I have 10 habits, as I complete my habits on my first day, this section is automatically being updated, and similarly, the same is being updated automatically everywhere. Once you have completed your month, you can start a new month by creating a new habit tracker. You have two options to choose from. The first option is to reuse the same habit tracker tab. Simply update the month and clear your previous habit entries. This option is best if you don't need to keep a record of your past habits. The second option is to duplicate the habit tracker tab. To do this, simply right-click on the habit tracker tab at the bottom and select Duplicate. This option is recommended if you want to keep your previous month's habit records for future reference. You can duplicate the habit tracker tab as many times as you need, creating a separate tab for each month. One important thing to remember: when you duplicate the habit tracker tab, the warning message will not appear on the new duplicated tab. Don't worry, this is completely normal. So, this is a habit tracker. It is a very easy tracker. You will find it a little difficult at first, but once you start using it regularly, you will find it very easy. However, if you have any problems or any questions, you can definitely message me on Etsy. I will definitely answer you. Hope you understand. I try my best. If you still don't understand, I am sincerely sorry for that. Thank you.